What's up, everyone? Welcome to Code Beans. My name is Chris Arter, and this is the Laravel 9 Crash Course. So what is the Crash Course? It's a high-level overview of some main concepts of Laravel. It's not going to be a deep dive on any of them, but it's going to be a drive through the main topics. We're going to talk about routing. We'll talk about controllers, how to handle the data that you send from the route to the controller, and then the blade view back. We'll handle all that. And we're going to show you how to set up your database and fill it with fake data and put that inside of a view. And then when we're all done, we are going to write some tests to make sure we didn't break nothing, okay? So that's going to be the overview of this. Some prerequisites, I would suggest that you know some PHP, and that's about it. I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code. You can use any IDE that you want. But that's just going to be the one that I'm going to use. And that's about it. So we should be good to go. I'm excited to have you here. The water is warm, so let's dive in and do this.